Are you tired of typing out your subtitles all by yourself? Well, then you're just like me. It's such a boring and inefficient process. And that's why I created a software which does this automatically, aided by AI. So how does it work? You go to scribewave.com and you log in, and you'll see a screen which is similar to this one. When you click on the module subtitles, you can upload your video file that needs subtitles. Well, I'll select the language because I'm transcribing an interview in English with Cristiano Ronaldo. Hit OK and wait for the file to be uploaded. The cool thing is, once the file is uploaded, robots behind the scenes will do their magic and transcribe most of your file super accurately. You may have to wait a couple of minutes depending on the size and the duration of your video. Once it's ready, you can click on it and you see video editor opens up. The subtitles are already added and you can choose between a couple of presets. So let's go for this one and make it a little bit darker since he's wearing a white shirt. What we can do now is super simple. Just press Ctrl space.
No, congratulations on the win.
To start the video. We can now just watch the video and see if there's anything that needs to be corrected.
Winning goal in your game number 200. Can you describe the feeling?
So happy.
I think that maybe it would be nicer if this line would be merged with the next line. So how can we do that? We select the so happy, we go to the end of the word and we press delete. So that it merges with the next line. Editing this Y so that it becomes lowercase. Now, sometimes you are in the opposite where you want to break a line into two lines. This is also very easy. You go to the place with your cursor where you want to break the line and you press enter. You see the line is broken up into two lines. If you want to merge them again, you can do the technique that I just learned you, or go to the next line and press backspace. If you want to edit a certain time code to make the line disappear faster or last longer, you can drag the beginnings and the ends of the bars. But normally these timings are already perfect. Once you're happy with the result, you can save the changes by clicking on Save Changes, or also by pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard. We can download the result, but maybe you want to download it in a different language. So you can translate this to any other language as well. For example, my native language is Dutch. I'll select Dutch and hit Translate. As you can see now, we've got a Dutch translation. And if we want to switch back to English, we'll just select English again and hit Translate. Now we can download the video, just like a video, then click Render Video and you'll be sent a link where you can download your video. Or if you want to post-process the footage in Premiere Pro, for example, you can download the SRT as well. Hope this helps. Let me know if I can help you with anything else regarding your subtitling process, and I hope Scribewave is really useful for you. Thank you.